Oh, okay. Let me check if everything works alright. So I'm trying to stream at the YouTube at the same time, but it's my first time, so... Okay, I think it's working okay. It was harder than I expected. Okay, so from the previous stream, of course, there was no VOD because I forgot. There were some things that changed. Mostly, we have a new character. So that's that. And of course, we have each IO page for the game. So if you want to test the game, of course, it's just a proof of concept. It's not like final version, but you can do that. And if you have any like suggestions, ideas, or something, or even feedback, feel free to share them. It will be helpful because I, to be honest, still missing the direction of the game. I mean, most of my problems can be fixed with money, but you know, it's money comes and goes. It's hard to get by. Okay, so for today, we have a lot of feedback from the Marnix from the Bite Me Games because I was on his stream yesterday and he played my game. So that's that. But those were like really high level details. So for now, I think I will try to rework some of the things because this is like new direction in terms of like user experience. Hi Kshaku! No, you can't. Try to learn your English here. Hello Draken. Yay, thank you for the follow. it's strange feeling, to be honest, to stream. It's my like second stream. First one was like pretty silent, and I forgot there's like option to use the VOD, and like yesterday, no, that was like 2 days or 3 days ago. I had a moment when I was like, oh, it's a good clip moment. I will watch a VOD later and I will put it on TikTok. And then someone said, I mean, it was, I think, Michi, I think, that I do not have VOD free Polish. Okay, byczku. Just for you. Oh no. Okay, I was curious how you guys came here, and I just noticed the Discord server. Right click, delete message. Oh my god. What are you doing? Okay, let me just ignore that. It's an English stream. It's an English stream. I want to have a reach for the external audience. I need people to play the game. Not from Poland, because games on Steam in Polish zlotys are pretty expensive. No links in chat. If you want to help, you can always click the link down below and click the game, try to play it and try to roast it. It will be always welcome. Timeout this criminal, right. It's my stream this time. I have power here. It's not a criminal though. Don't say things like that. Okay, I think I'm still thinking about the way that I should like do a streams, because I think that like I mean I can motivate myself to just do things while streaming, and it's a good idea like for me, but at the same time I don't know if it will be even a bit entertaining for you guys, so okay, so I will be today doing a boring stuff called user interface, and I will go with this one. It looks better than the previous iteration, but it still looks, it's a PC game, so I don't need to have like that big font like here, so no, it was for the memes. It's not about it's about sending message. No, of course not. It was, I even need to see a clip. Probably the Polska Gru, right? Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. It's always manipulation from you, Shay. Your backup V2. Do you like that? Song request. You can put your music up. Okay, I need. What's that? Oh, that's a good background though. Okay, so let me just start working on this, because I can talk for a long time, but the game won't be made by itself. Someone need to work on it. Okay, so it will be equipment details. And this is the equipment that we will be working on. It was 100 before. Okay, I need to skip this mix because it takes like 1 hour, so if I go click this, it works, yay! From your dear Shirubia DJ. Sorry, my model cannot wipe. I can try, I think. I'm not sure. I can... No, because if I do that, I will probably forget it to change it back. Is this some kind of reference what's happening on Twitter? Or X? I don't know. Nuh-uh. There is this. This needs to be smaller. Okay, so this was that. And I think the font was a bit smaller. Details. We don't talk about the Bruno. Okay, so this was 100 and the text was 40 and 24. Okay, I will change that as well. This as well. This as well. And the description was pretty small, I think. Not good. Not good. Something awakening. Okay, I will call this item name, item count. Here we oh, what's that? Is this some kind of... Okay. It's no music. It's changed. I was trolled yesterday. So I needed to turn on the only music is accepted. I know. I have no idea why it's not working. Maybe it's SUS or something. I don't know. We can always try to use the link for like the original one. Mudge. So there's text, there's this. Too much work. I mean, it depends what you want. And it shouldn't probably work in your stream as well, if like that, because I think I was inspired by your settings, so... Or you have the... Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so I'll stop the... You can try now, I think. Yay! Small steps. And of course, I wouldn't have everything done by now, so small steps, small steps. It's just a motivational stream for me. And I'm saying that while doing nothing. Deluding myself. Okay, so I did change that. I need to write something down. It's 40 for the title. It's 24 for smaller text. So this. I have issues with that. There's content, there's title, but title is... Maybe I should put a gear score above. I could do that. Okay, so I will go here, call this text object. I'll put this here. Okay, because it's working like that. So it should take 40 and the whole, so 60, 40. And that's what I was saying. It's not like it will be the most entertaining thing that you will watch. It's just a simple stream with me talking stuff. From your dearly BJ Shirubia. Yeah, it's how it's used in English. That's what I saw. Yeah, that's how it works. Sadly, or I know, never, I guess. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's even like remotely. It's remotely possible, but oh, okay, so it's affiliate, I think. Something like that. But I'm not sure about that. Okay, so there's text. Text is this way. This is this way. Okay, so I should be doing it like this. Okay, so I need to copy this. Paste this. Then I should remove this and put it there. And like this. Oh, I know this one. Okay, like this, and I can edit this one. Oh my god, it's so... Okay, what's happening? Okay, it's almost working. Yeah, it's working. I will do the vertical one. Hooray! And this one should be smaller. So like 24 and 20 and 24 here. One more. Wait. Oh, I know. Wait. When this looks. Bim 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 piri piri bim. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so strange. Why does it looks like this? It's okay, it's just an error, I think. Oh, it's yeah. Oh, like this, and this is like this. I don't care about the item count. And this will be like this. And it looks, I think, better. Let me check. It was 24, this is 40, and this is 20. I will go with 20 as well here. So it will look better. Oh, come on. Now I know why people are not using sync requests sometimes. I mean, the title is the thing that scares me. It's 24, I think it's... Wait, it looks so small. Okay, so let me check in the game. I think it's because this one is small. Yeah, same rules, I think. or even like less. I mean, you tested it, and I just copied, so. Okay, let me check. Oh my god. I think something wrong. I think the order is broken. It's like, oh, I mean, it shouldn't work like that. It's okay, I think. I know why. Oh, I know what's happening. Ah, stupid overrides. It's broken here. And it's not even here, it's even higher than that. I mean, for sure, if I even... Oh my god, it's like still here. It's in gameplay. Mm-hmm. Why don't you try to set up chatbot for automatic info without commands? I mean, I I didn't. Like, it's not like I tried that much to like set up a stream. It's like when like you said now, I will try to do that probably for the next stream, but it's like I need to start somewhere, and it's better to just start and then think about things later. I mean, it looks ugly here. I mean, it for sure needs to be smaller. So, wait. Wait. Oh, okay. So this will be smaller. If I'm using, I think I shouldn't use that. Wait. Is there any spacing here? Just... So wait... Oh, I remember I was fixing that before. And I don't remember how. Oh, here. Okay. And now I put here. Why is the sizing so... Oh, it's because this... Let me see. Details, window for the abilities, and it looks the same. It looks pretty good, this one. From what people said. I need to like use the same style for the rest. I made a mistake by not using this below that. Width 20, this... Okay. Okay, I need to do... Let me check the stat element that I was doing before. Just simple set, and it's setting those things. So I need to create smaller stat elements with the same style, because dark is smaller even. 50, this one is 80, right? It's 46. And this one is 46. So the same, but the it shouldn't be like that. But... So I will create a copy. Smaller or small. And this will be like 24. And this will be 24 as well. Like this. And I will go back. And this is 24, and this will be using the start element small. And small, by small you mean like 28? So it's like... And this is using the small, and this is using the This one. Hmm. I think I don't need to do a remake of that. Okay, so so if I'm forcing it like here, it doesn't look good. So I need to do it the other way around. Like this. $24, and this will be like 4x. 24x 6, I think. This gear score, why it doesn't show? Okay. Okay, now it looks better, but still, what's happening? Oh, because I... Okay, now it should looks okay. This one looks okay. And this one is... I'm not expanding this and adding more spacing, and it should look okay. 24, this is 20. I'll put it at the bottom. Okay, let me check how does this looks like in action. Nothing happening. I need to force something. It's not letting, it's not controlling the width, and now it will be always forcing it. It's okay, but still Still needs some fine-tuning. And now it should looks okay. And I think I need bigger gap between those, like 6 maybe. This looks ugly. I know why. I know why, but it should fix itself. Mm. Mm. Something's still missing. This one looks okay. This one... I wouldn't say it looks good. I think the distance between the stats are what's bothering me. Oh yeah, probably this. So I need to go for this and probably like 3 here or 2. I will just... I think I can edit like that and it should work. Let's go 4. Maybe let's go with crazy number, maybe it will work. Oh, okay, so I need still to restart that. So let's go 4. Distance between those looks okay. And between those it doesn't. Maybe... Oh, I was using the gray here, maybe that's because... I think I was using different color there. Okay, so I will go with 5 and 4 and I will change the color. Create prefab, this will be called dark. Which color do I use for that? I need to write the down colors for later, so I will use the simple palette for that. Anyways, there's the dark version of this. Here and here. Did I change anything else about this? No, it's just that... Yeah. So now details. And now dark 20. It sounds so wrong. Oh my god, it's so bad. Okay, so I need to think. Yeah. What have you done to me? It looks nice. Thank you. You're like one of the most popular emotes. What with me? Okay. I need to think about the colors. There's one thing that interests me. I really like the itch.io colors. Maybe I'll just copy them. It's just a one button. It was E. What a nice color. It will be gray. And I will change to this. And it should be a slight difference, but it should make a difference in terms of what's important and what's not. I will use this 20 gray. I think it's still too subtle. Oh, I think it needs to be. And maybe wait for the affiliate. I need to stream like 7 times, right? Or no? I don't remember even. I think I will still wait for the official submission in like if I want to add the emotes. So it was like 7 stream days for like in 1 month, right? I think something like that. Okay, this is more grayish. Maybe it will look better. Oh, now it's better. Does this have an outline? I'm just no, it's just simple. The description is with D1. No, I mean, I don't need that. I want to stream in English. To be honest, I know that the streams won't be that interesting, so it's not like, and you will lose credibility. So I would prefer for you to not do that. I mean, yeah, those are just different targets. The yours and mine. They're just different people. Maybe like 2 or 3 will like even come to stream, and I don't think even the streams are interesting. I think I should do if I would want to go like for streaming more. I would just do just different content, just for me, so I can do stuff on stream. I mean, do work on stream. I think this one need to be more grayish. I do like this shade, to be fair. I will just copy it. D1, 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 and this a bit. It's more like not grayish but a silver. I think still the distance needs to be. Let me upgrade an item to check distances. If I go from this to this, oh my god, I still have the old bug. I think in terms of like what you said, I would just go with like probably if I had enough resources in terms of like gunplay, if it would look better, I would just do like the artists, so they put on like top right, top left, somewhat like some kind of gameplay or something, or a trailer that's looped, and I think that would be better. But to be honest, I'm not sure. This one looks good, but those are what makes me wonder if it should looks like that. It's a big gap over there, and I know why, but I'm not sure if I can fix that. It's if it's empty, it's still doing the. If I turn it off, okay, so I need to, if the description is empty, I need to hide it. So there is the set description, I'm not using it anymore. So if item description is string is null or empty, where is SR? What happened? I don't know. I skipped one song and it works. Okay, so if it's empty, I will just hide text, and if it's not, I will show it. I think I can do it like this. I love one-liners. So if it's empty, it turns off. Oh, Shay, you still there? Ria, and some kanjis. I cannot read that. Not yet. I have always been. How do you like the new main character? It just from the booth, but it's customized for the game in terms of colors, and I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, the moment when I were silent, right? I was your soundtrack. So I have no idea how does it look. Okay, I mean it's already in it's already in the game. I did not change it at the stream. It's comrade. I mean, it depends which way you're reading that. But yeah, it can be a comrade. Kumrade. Towarzysz. Okay, it looks good here. Maybe I should just ignore that. I know it feels different here and there. I think I just go differently about the gear score. I will put it just here. And I will ignore the second part. I will use the base text. And there will be gear score. Like this, and I will put... Wait, what's happening? Like this. And max width. So it's always there. And there's description. And this. And it should work fine, I think. Oh no, it won't. It won't. Equipment and details, and if there's gear score, and it should be base text. Okay, so no. We can go back to the equipment. And now the final test. If it works. It works. Beer score label. This is from the Shay and it looks normal. Strange. Oh no, there's issue. There's some kind of issue with that. Oh, because I changed the name? No? So it does. I'm always forgetting about that. I need to connect those. Looks okay. It's not the best thing I've ever done, but I need to fix the issue. It's irritating me. Okay, so I need to... Every time I'm using the size fitter, I think it should refresh itself. So I think there is like one rebuild and second rebuild. I need to do like another one. I mean, it's more of a hack than just a thing to do. But right now it should work flawlessly, I think. The last words before something breaks. Yeah, it's just I know, it's just a matter of... So if I will upgrade this to something like level 3, it works. Okay, so I can save that. So equipment details. I mean, maybe I will change the color of the background by item details. I'm still thinking of the color palette of the game. I think this one is too dark, and I really like this button. I think this one is like this one and this one are pretty good in terms of like colors. It's this plus this. You can try to find English boomer songs. This one looks really good. This one is, I think, worse. So I think I will go with like there's button, this light, this red, this one maybe. The color of this is this one. All the freeze. Let me in details. And this one is. I'm still not sure if I should go for lighter colors or darker ones. I think dark mode is like light mode. I mean, light mode it always feels modern, but oopsie. Don't listen to her. What if I go with pitch black? I mean, it looks good, I think. But what if I go with like light? I mean, of course, it will be seen, that's because I don't have the rest prepared. Let's check the dark button color. Not this one, this one. This one looks... I will just copy this color. I will check the details. Yeah, this color is really good. I don't know how I thought of this, but it's really nice contrast with the gold one. I need to save its description so I can use it later. So 1F, 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 primary dark color. And I will need to think about the accent color, probably the gold. I will try maybe later to do a light mode, but maybe let me check. Maybe there are some kind of studies versus like dark versus light mode. Wait, what?
Sure Ubia tipped $3.33. Polska Girom. Prakuj Talajai Powered Zonka. Tornado Natni Dostane.
What? What was that? Thank you for $3. What was that? 333 is like... Wait, Shuba. Why 333? Is this like... Yeah, how Devil Island? Really? Let me check. No, the minimum is $1. Oh, because you can use the other. You can use the other and click your own almond. Oh, okay, so the 333 was the one of the easy options, okay. Yeah, the minimum was $1, so I think wait, what?
Sure Ubia tipped $1. Mosh Tego Dolara Jack Shitesh.
See, it works. The $1 is option as well. Oh my god, what's happening to Sank Request? Yes. Tornado. Wait, what's happening? I think I'm having the same issues as Shirga. Okay, so just turn it off and turn it on again. The voices. It's because of the tip that Shirga made. Don't worry. And when I check the dark mode versus light mode, and I think there are no studies that says one is better for the. It's just like it depends on your environments, I think. So I'll just do the way that. Okay, so wait, stop.
Sure Ubia tipped $1. Mosh Yeshchana miscries you.
Oh, that was close enough for the Polish. I mean, the first two words were pretty good. He's learning. The AI is learning. The artificial intelligence is learning how to speak Polish in English. But you don't have to. Come on, it just. The funny part is that from what I can see, there is no provision in stream elements. There's like, oh my god.
Sure Ubia tipped $1. CHRZASZCZ WXNE W Schebrzes Zini, Schebrzes Zin Zetega SL Zazisus Zisosa Karol Kupol Krolove Karolini Karal Kolori Z Paulamaiwini Mi Kroa W Krotki Bordo Grizzler Tro Krotko Krotko.
I have some kind of deja vu. I think. Maybe. I don't know. Chrząszcz brzmi w Trzcinie, w Szczebrzeszynie, a Szczebrzeszczyn Szczebrzeszyn, myślałem, że tam Szczyn jest. Szczebrzeszyn z tego słynie. W czasie suszy szosa sucha. Król Karol kupił królowej Karolinie korale koloru koralowego. Stół z powyłamanymi nogami. Czarna krowa w kropki bordo gryzła trawę krótko, krótko. O, stop!
Yulia tipped $1. Jolalojalna, a Jolanila Jalna, Nila Jalna Jolaloj Zazdrasai. Buys Jadal Pusist
Now I have an idea why does people use the PayPal, I think. Because you probably can ban a person. I mean, it's not about like that I'm going to ban someone, but I was thinking why it's only PayPal the option and they don't have like anything like in Poland we have the Tipli or Tipo, so you can just pay with like without creating an account, and like in English streams you use mostly the PayPals or like accounts in donations, I think. I mean, I don't know the other options. I probably should have researched more about this, but I think like from what I saw, they're mostly using the Stream Elements, and I think even Streamlabs. And they both using the PayPal and the US option. I don't remember how it was called, but it's only for US. That's a good music. Okay, so it looks okay. Maybe I should think about the backgrounds more. Okay, it's okay. It looks okay. Maybe I should just increase the size of this. I'm not sure if it's let me check how old is this anime. I think for like we probably forgot how old the anime is. It was... Damn it, I don't remember the title. It was... Watakoi, okay. I think it has like 4 years or more even. It was 2018. Oh my god, it's 7 years ago. That's wild. 7 years. Crazy how the time flies by. Okay, so this looks good. Let me check my list. I will save this as the equipment details overworked DM. Yeah. I think I need to change like this. Oh, perfect. It looks good. Okay, So I've done this, so now I can go for another thing. What's important, I was trying yesterday, like in previous stream, to do a tutorial. There's things like that. But like from what I saw, the game wasn't that hard to learn. So I need to like brainstorm what to do next. I mean, I've got a lot of things to do, but it's not like I want to do any of those. mm. Mm. So I remade the buttons. I need to think about the new mode, or maybe I should just create an enemy, like a boss. Maybe next stream or next time, because I think I need to search for like 3D models for the enemies. I know what I will do. I will remake today the user interface. So we have the upgrade that looks pretty not finished. So for sure we will change the background of it. To this one. And I need to add the styling to it. So I need to check the item details. So there is the square always on, and there is the border. So if I go to equipment, upgrade, so I need to here add the image, and it will be the background. Oh no, I can't put it here. Oh my god. Because that's not how it works over there. This is the one. So this is the background. And it does have the small dent. This is using the vertical layout, so this background, I don't know why I have done it like this. So this is the background of this is the background of this. I'm deleting this thing, so this is white. I'm changing this to this, and here I'm creating the new image, and this will be the border. It looks strange somehow. Hmm. Why does this work like that? Not this one, not this. Oh, this one, okay. This is a different border, okay. And this is the default one. And this should be like sliced, so okay. Like this. And I will do like this, and it should look properly. So there's border. Okay, so I think the colors here are missing. So for sure this one. Oh, this is the gray one. The main gray, and the main white was just the white color, right? Like this arrow will be white as well. Or maybe I should just use the white background. This is a nice contrast here. This gold on this the dark gray looks pretty good. So this spawns the small dark, and it should small. Let's create small gray. And the gray would be the 3F, 3F, 3F. Wait, darks. Okay, the gray was different color. This one. Upgrade. This should be white for sure. So if I change it, yeah, it works. Okay, and this one would be using the not dark, but the gray one. Okay. I think it should look better now. It look better this way. Wait, I'm doing something I think wrong. Yesterday I saw a streamer that was using the merge chat on stream, but I need to check if he was using it on Twitch only, on YouTube only, or as well on Twitch. But I will check that later. I need to, because when I see my chat, I don't see the YouTube one, and I think the YouTube transmission is on. Probably no one went there, but better safe than sorry. So there's live. Were there any messages? Where's the chat? Okay, you was here. You were here. Okay. Okay, so there's issue with my YouTube connection. There's no YouTube broadcasts that are currently monitored. Okay, I'll just open the chat near that, and then I will think about it after stream. So I will just pop up this chat and use it later. Yeah, Postrinko classic. I heard this word many times before. Okay. What I was testing the... How does it looks? It looks alright. Maybe the contrast is too strong. Oh, I remember that the Lost Ark had pretty good interface, I think. In terms of like dark mode. Oh, it's a bluish. I thought it was like pitch black. Oh, it's somewhat pitch black. Like over here. Oh no, it's a bit transparent, I think. Yeah, it's using transparency for the interface. I mean, not a bad idea. Let's go with like 90%. Yeah, transparency often looks pretty good. So if I go like why is X, let's say like 2020. Oh, it looks better. So let's check that in action. Oh, that's too weak. Yeah, need more than that. 90%. Like, maybe 90% would be not enough. Let's go with like 90, 95. Oh, there's a nice gentleman on the YDP Games Discord, the Marning Discord, that made a pretty long oh, and like see that, like, this is the feedback. Hello for feedback. I'll read it for sure. Okay, nice. It looks... I'll have a thing to do after the stream. That's a really nice feedback from the Paddy production with the anime girl on profile picture. That's what I want to see from the people that give feedback to me. even the 95% is too, like, too visible. I think it needs to be like even more subtle. Like this? Like 5 points from not being transparent. Oh no, yeah, it looks better, I think. Maybe even less than that. Maybe, are they using blur? I think they're using blur. Maybe I should do a blur. Let's go with 0.2. Okay, let me check if... Okay, there's up next. I'll just skip the... Wait, how does this work? I don't know. I think the order is like... Okay, now it looks... This is too transparent, and this one is, I think, enough. Let's see with the upgrade menu. So, like this. I think it looks good. I mean, not the perfect. I think it's possible. Doom. I think this color needs to be changed. But it looks okay. You can see what's more important. I think the title needs to be bigger. Okay, for Y is just something that I like to have, since I use So Same As Me. To have that feels me when playing. Maybe that the option, yeah, that for sure. It's for user interface. Yeah, but if someone links as example for the Wuthering Waves, I think it's a good direction that I'm going, because I think the combat in this game is not the best. I mean, it's really good, but I think the previous game was miles better. It's 54. I don't see the 50. Is this like 54 really? I think it looks smaller than that. Just let me increase the size. 64. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's all. Wait, what is this spacing for? Oh, it's using the expand. So it's just automatic. Okay, let me check it once again. I just noticed that Sylvia went to the Discord. Okay, so like this, it looks... Yeah, the sizing was the issue here. Iron helmet, it looks like maybe I should put on the left side. I know it looks okay. This one needs to be changed. So this one, the progress one is too dark. There's gray and there was a silver one. Gray. I think I even need to change the name for... It looks like silver to me. I would change the name to silver. And I need to write the color down. D1, D1, D1 is silver. Silverish. So if I have the view, in the slider I will just use the... What's the color of the fill? It's the... No, this one, and this one is white. Okay. So I will just use the D1, D1, D1. Or no, I will just change the name of it. So this is the slider max, and I will do the variation. Variance. And I will create the dark mode, because if it's light it's different one, so this one would be progress in one D1, D1, D1. And I can just change this like this, and you can read that properly. Good. It looks okay. I think it's mostly readable. Okay, it looks okay, it looks okay. This one is too transparent. I forgot to change that. I think I need to fix some things in UI. This one is created from nothing, and the item details is it created from something? No, it's the core. I think I need to do a interface somewhere so I can customize it from one place and just edit that instead of going to everywhere and change the colors. So this was like that, and it looked nice. So this, and this. Oh, and probably the slider. There's one more interface. So if I dismantle those items, I will use them here. I have, yeah, and this is light mode. It's called multiple. And this color looks nice. But the one, my primary color is this one. And this doesn't have borders, so I need to copy this and paste here. And remove this one. Wait, what? Copy and paste here. Okay, I don't know why it didn't work first time. I'll change to be a bit transparent here. This is the background that you can remove. Okay, and here I will put the image with the different border like this. And here I will go with, oh, like this, and 0.5 I think. Like this. Oh, that was half transparent, I think. Yeah. This. I need to change the slider. Create a dark mode. And it's just white. So I'll just replace that with the white version, and I need to change the numbers. I'll use probably the silver once again. For the colors. So if I upgrade, it's, yeah. But it's not transparent, I need to change that. Multiple. And this should be, oh, it is. Oh, I didn't notice this. I mean, it should be visible. I don't know why it isn't. Like, I can see that, and oh, I see, but it's really subtle. Okay. It looks okay. White button for confirms. I think it needs more space here. So there's section here, and I can just add like 10 here, 10 here, 10, 10, and 10. I should have done like this. This as well is 60, so it's full size. Title is not a full size. I know it's even. Never mind. So if I go 64. Okay. Item name. Okay. Okay, it looks okay. Okay, so this part, those UIs are finished, I think. They're using mostly 3 colors and transparency. I need to write it down. The alpha is... I think I can do the transparency over here as well. It looks better, I think, than before, because I think mostly of those parts abilities are as well. I need to change the here. I think they're too small. Yeah, this is 0.2 and this should be 1. Like the previous one. And like this. I mean, no, I need more. Why it looks like it's bleeding that. Oh, because it's tiled, it should be sliced. I mean, it looks the same. I mean, isn't that the same for the details? I don't know, it looks... Oh, it's 0.2. Okay, it's sliced 2 and it's tiled 144. So what about the upgrade? Okay, it's because it's larger. It's twice that long. But it's using both sliced. Hidden details. because okay, it's 2x smaller. This will be sliced, and this will be sliced as well. Let's move this number, and it should be the same number here. No, it looks different. It's bleeding, I think. I need to find a way to fix that. I mean, that's the way. Yeah, it's better. Oh, because this is... So let's see. If it looks the same. I need just to use the same colors everywhere. Yeah, the smaller looks so much better. I think I should do the same here. I think the borders too heavy. It should be like here. Or maybe they look good here. Let's check the colors. It's white, right? It's pure white, yeah. Are the smaller? I think the smaller looks... I need to like go maximize and see it in like full action. Yeah, of course, when I put it on full screen, I think the icons are still too big. Like this should be like half, probably. I think the items should be smaller. And this is too large as well. Okay, so I need to change these to like 2 and 1.44. Multiple. Same here, and I need to write it down so I will remember it for later. So sliced to 0 and sliced 1.44. So like this border here, this border here. Let's go maximize. Yeah, I think it looks good. Maybe button later on as well. Let me see the dark button. Long. This is the main menu one. Let's go 2 and 1.44, and I will do as well the change the transparency. And let's see the main menu. This is the container. I think this... Oh, because it's not fully utilizing the size, right? I think I need to fix that dark button. Because there are like a lot of space here, and that's because it's... Oh my god, it looks awful. Okay, so it needs to be... What? Strange. Oh, because I'm using here. Okay, so I've done... Okay. So that's how I done it here. That's a... I mean, I should have done like that. So this button and this, if I go -4, I can bleed out. So if I go -2, it looks like it's almost there. The -1, it looks really good. In terms of like, it's just right over here. So show me. So if I go spacing 0, it should be... They should be almost... Yeah, there, almost. I think I maybe even more. Let's see if I bleed it more. Like -2. How they look each other. Because they're now... Okay, I think now it looks like they need each other. No, not the previous was better with the ones. Like this, and now I can put the spacing like 4, and it looks better. So let me check how it works. It looks modern. It looks better this way. Something happened. Yeah, it shouldn't work like that, okay? So let's go back to this aspect. Let's go maximize. It looks good. Okay, so now I need to fix the buttons. Like maybe make... Here's the base button, and it looks pretty nice. Enters to here, buttons, variants. There's dark, there's red, but there are the one that are longer, like dark button, long, and it's in a different place. It should be over here, and it's just a different button, and it shouldn't be like that. It should go from this one So first I need to check how the dark looks, and dark is using the 3323 that I'm not using anymore, so it will be 1F, 1F, 1F with transparency. And like I said, it will be -1. And the background will be loose. This one even has a shadow. Okay. So I need to apply this base button. I need to apply this to base button. This is the white one. So, oh, it's already here. It's doubled. Okay. So it's smaller than the previous ones. I need to create and this one, where is the long base button dark? This one should not exist. I need to check if everything is okay. I think they're the same. It just this one is like smaller. It's 60 and yeah, and this one, where's the longer? And this one was this. So this one looks better. I don't know what's still double sliced. Oh, it's so long. Never mind. It's like this. Okay. I know sometimes it doesn't just save the changes. Okay, so the text is different. Okay, so it's forcing just yeah, like I said, it doesn't save. So the text is 46. And the text color is different. So this is the base button. It should use the a bit transparency. That's a different color than white. I will check later. It's too... I think I need to calculate that from the size. Here's dark. And the text is 6. I'll just go auto. And that will be changed later. So I will just delete. Now, before I will delete that, I will go to the stage element. There's the button, and I think I can replace with this one, and it's the same. Okay. And I can remove that. Let's see if I break the game. Okay, I broke something. I can replace that. Or I can't. I mean, I can. It just doesn't allow me. I will use my secret techniques. So I will go to the folder. I will be opening that with code. This is the ID that I care. Now I need to find the main menu. I mean, sadly, they doesn't allow us to do that. And I will open this as well. And there are components that are missing. And they're saying with ID 60D. I think this is the one. Those. So I will just replace them. See? But I need to change text because probably it forgot. So this was looks like base mode, I think, and the second one was tower mode. And this is, oh yeah, there's here, and let's see if the game broke. But for sure it's normalized. No. See, this is open world soon. Base mode. Oh, this is too small. And this is locked. That's a strange color of lock, but whatever. I mean, the names are too long because I'm using the string names of objects. Why it's... I think it's okay. Let's see, there's this, it looks similar, so no differences here. I think I need to change the outline. It's too... I don't need outline now. Radio. Here, I'll just use no, it was just, I think this one. Just let me check. This is the outline. It's using outline? I didn't even notice. Okay, so it's just using the normal one. What about this? It's not using the outline at all, because it's white. So I just keep it without outline here. Oh, because I think they're just old ones. Okay, now it looks better. This one shows properly. Okay. It looks okay. Okay, so I need to fix the options. So those are the... not this one, those are the stage selections. So it's using the stage element, and stage element is using... Okay, so it works. Okay. So I'm changing the text. It's not using the auto size, maybe that's why. Do I care about that? That was, I think, 5 or 4. Distance between those 4. So I'll do the same here. And what about the width? I mean, it's just a matter of name. I think I need to fix just a stage template. Because I'm using the... Okay, so I'm not even using that stage element. I'm using the name. And this is the name of the object. If I go to stage template and I will create public string name, and I'll just give the name of the object, I can replace that later. It should just work the same, but now I have like room to do a serialized field here, and I will do that. Serialize field private string stage name. And I will probably later do that, like if I have translation, do the translation of something, and this will be called a key. Like, we can use a name for a key. Oh yeah, and so for now I'll use if stage name, something like that, use name. So if the stage name doesn't exist, it will use the object name. And I will do a fast names for this one. So this will be stage 1. So I will call it I will call it like this for now. Oh, and I need to fix the drops, because it's possible to drop the epic drop from the stage 1. Oh, I know, because string empty is not null. Stage template. That was wrong. I need to do the string is null or empty. If it's empty, go there. If it's no, use the stage name. I mean, it would probably never be null, but because it's serialized, so if it's serialized, it's not going to be a null anyway. It's open world soon. Because it's called open world soon, but now I can call it like open world soon, and call here it's like open world stage template, so it's easier for me to find. Oh yeah, there are stage 1, 2, 3. And why does the loading looks that bad? I think I need to fix that. I think it's not using the proper sizing. That should explain. Like this, and I will use the, let's say, 30, 20, 20, left 20, and 20. Okay, now it's loading properly. I need to change the loading screen as well. It doesn't look good for the game. Oh, I need to change that. Maybe I'll do the label right now. I think I have label core base label. I think those currency label. Okay, it's not using anything as a base. Oh, it's not even... Okay, so let me check the inventory view. And it's using the player currency item label. Okay, so it's using this, and this is using the currency item label, and this is using the currency label. It's just a label. I need to update this. Okay, so which style do I want? I think this one with the background looked really good. So like this. So it has rounded edges. I will go like with a bit of transparency. And maybe I will change the color from the primary dark or the silver. The silver. Now I will go with the dark. Like this. It's sad that it looks blurry. If I go with 2, it looks 144. Okay, I'll do it like this, and I will do the border. -1, -1, -1, -1. This will be 2, 2, 2, 2. I will use the border for this. This border inner. I mean, I don't see a difference. How does it look like this? Wait. I think I need to do something for my own. It looks not good in the borders. Wait, what's happening? Maybe I just should remove the border. Stay with 2. on 1.4. Like if it's even like a bit tilted, it should look better. And I need to try the content size filter here. So currency label. So it's using this and this. So it should be like this and this, and I don't need the content. I need... No, I need the content. And I need here horizontal. Mm-hmm. 60, and this is 60. How I was doing that for the text? Inventory, item details. So the description was just a text. Okay, so nothing. In just, okay. So if I go currency, I can do the like this content size filter, and this is the horizon. I think I need to change something as well. Because if I exceed that, okay, it will go like this. This is controlling the height. Okay, so this need to width high. So he needs to control it better. Okay, it works properly, but the icon need to always be the size I want. And that's the harder part. It needs to control it, but at the same time. So if and that should expand the Okay, so it should use background as this. Like this. I mean, it's not, it shouldn't be like that. Okay, now it looks better, but it's still long shot. Because if I use something, never mind. I mean, I can do like this. I will do this like this. So this will ignore the sizing, but it's still, this content needs to be like 5555. And what's happening over there? It's bleeding. Okay. Okay. And it looks better. So much better. Let's see. So there's one more white thing to fix. Okay, so like this. And I did fix this. I mean, it looks okay. It keeps the size of number. I think I can even make it smaller. Like I can do it 50, 50, and just in the middle center. And I think the text could be like 36. And I think I can make a like left 20 and right 20. Maybe that's too much. And the spacing like 10 as well. So let's see this. Okay, it looks better. I mean, I think the size, something's wrong with the size. I think it's bigger than I expected it to be. So let me check. Oh, it's 50-50. I should it like even smaller, like 40. Oh yeah, it's so much better, but now I need to decrease the sizes. Like 40. 40. Okay, let me control your height. So it's always like that. And this one, yeah, use this as well. And now I can like 10 and 10. And now it should look better. And there will be only options left to change to the new theme. So, I mean, it's still big. Maybe 40, 40. If I do it like this, can I force it? I can't force it to be the height that I want. And I cannot use the ignore. This preferred is enough, but okay, so I think I need to use the minimum size, and min will be 40. Yeah, and it's 40. Let's see if it doesn't override that. Okay, let's see. I think it's still big. I mean, the size looks okay. Maybe it's because the border is smaller. It's 60. It's 40. Okay, never mind. It's just me. It needs small, more filling on the left and right. So I think 15 left and 15 right. Yeah, it's so much better. And there are things to fix. It's using a bit of transparency, but I think it needs like a better border or something. But it's using the same color scheme that the rest. This. So if I will be looking at the portal, let me check something. Oh, it's using transparency. Okay. So the only thing I think left is the options. And it should be pretty simple options. I think I could have. Okay, this is the options. Now we just need to change the background. The content one. So I need to add image. Because this is another one, and this will be using the border, like all the things, and it will use slice double, and this is the D1, no, 1F1, 1F, and it will be using the background with slice 144. this one, use full the content. Oh, it's using content size filter. So it shouldn't do things like that. Okay, like this. I mean, it shouldn't use that. Like, why? Yeah, exactly. It's just a view, but with the options. This one. I can do -1 here. Oh, never mind, I'll just keep that. Okay, because it's outside this. I will use the silver for that. It looks okay for now. No, I need to change the text, but oh, I didn't make prefabs out of those. This one I need to change, but it's I think it's my version. Settings, yeah, it's my version. So I can change the text to the silver one. And it should change. Yep. And this text is sadly this one, and this one. They need to go to the silver. And it's what happened? Okay, never mind. So this is D1, and there are like sliders that needs to be fixed. Hey, Glamour. Okay, so those two values needs to be silver. I think that will be like the last thing in the color scheme. I think, yeah, it looks. Let me check that in the game. Okay, let's see. It looks good, the options are readable, there are not like things that destroy the look. This one needs to be fixed as well. I need to add another option to the FPS. because that was one of the feedback, and I saw that because I have the same monitor, I think, as this guy. So there are the options. He's getting those options out of somewhere, I think. Here? Hey, thank you for the follow, Glamour. How's the day? Oh, there are no options here. Are they there? There are options, but they are not showing me. I think I need to search internet about this. Oh, those are the options, okay. They're just... Yeah, you just came when I was going to end the stream, so at least you were able to give a follow on the stream, so so there's that. I'm just trying to keep myself motivated by streaming the work that I'm doing. It's now everything in the same scheme, so nice. Need to change a bit and it will work well. Okay, I think I will be going because I did finish everything that I wanted today. So we need to search for a raid and probably someone who's in the same category as us. There's Spire Software, but I'm not sure if I can even raid him. Let's see if there's someone from the software and game development. There's Godot, let's go with the Unity. Is there any... Oh, it looks anime, but... It looks okay. They're Russians. This is the Unity in dots. But I'm looking for the anime. Where are the anime developers? Are they not there? I mean, we can always go to the... Okay, so let's go with English. Let's delete the Unity. This is the hardcore one. Oh, there is... Okay. Rust and Godot. That's a strange combination. I would love to learn Rust someday, but... Godot, okay, they're mostly jamming. This one looks interesting. You probably won't hear anything because I have turned Rust with Glut. I mean, there is like there is Bevy. Bevy engine that's all in Rust. And it's open source. Pretty cool thing. And there's even a game called Valorant, I think. Yeah, that's made with the Bevy, and it's a like keyboard type game. And it's all written in Rust, and it's open source. So Glamour, if you want, you can always check this game. And it's open source, so you can just go like, I think like this. I mean, I need to check the name. It's Valorant. I always forgot about that. Valorant, GitHub, and then you can like go there. I will go with it's anime, so it's for me. I'm not sure if if he says anything, or is it my issue? Oh, no? Am I? Let me mute music for a second and let me check if I can hear him. I mean, performance, you know. The Rust is performance. Is he even saying anything? Okay, he's really, really, really quiet. Or maybe I'm just really, really, really loud. Okay, I think that's a good idea. I need to learn more people that are doing the things. So let's go right and let's go like this. Now there is C++, yeah, exactly, there is C++, but there is C++, but you know, there's like really long talk about why Rust is being used, for example, right now in Linux kernel development, and it's just a matter that like Rust is like you can more easily document the code that you're writing, so the next person can read it. I know maybe performance is not a only thing, but you know, the matter of working with someone is just a huge aspect in like open source overall community. So there's Rust with that. The same, like, I mean, close to that is like TypeScript, because it's easier to collaborate with people if you just say things like you need to do this and only that, and yeah. Okay, I don't even, yeah, I mean, we can talk about that like all the time. But for streaming, yeah,